These really are amazing value for money. Nissan Qashqai, this is the 1.6 dci Tekna. 1.6 diesel, 130 brake horsepower. Absolutely fabulous example. Just 2 owners from new. The last lady owner bought it when it was about 2 years old. Magnetic red metallic with just 45,000 miles. It is fabulous. Very popular, one of the most popular cars for sale, and they do sell very quickly. Let's take you all the way around it to show you how nice this car is and what the spec is. It's got panoramic roof, it's got black leather, it's got heated seats, but let's take you all the way around. I'll mention those in detail as we go around. Beautiful red metallic, as you can see when the sun just catches it there. Huge boot on these, absolutely massive. A nice loading area, split folding rear seats. You've also got this false floor actually, so you've got additional 3 inches or so there. You can hide your little goodies under there. No spare wheel, all the toolkit's just under there, all complete. That gives you the flat loading area into there. We've got rear parking sensors, rear camera as well. Very clean and tidy on the bodywork. Chrome roof rails, panoramic roof, rear privacy glass. You've got these black wheel arch extensions on there. All the wheels have been professionally sandblasted and powder coated, so all those are totally unmarked. All matching tyres all the way around, the cross climate tyres. Down the sides, no major dents, dings or scrapes or anywhere. Very clean and tidy. Great family car, very spacious. Again, a good close up of the near side front wheel. Again, as I mentioned, all these are totally unmarked because we've just had all those are professionally done. And again, the tyre, plenty of tread on that. You've got front parking sensors. Very clean all the way across the front. Of course, you will get a few stone chips and the odd age related mark, but overall, as you can see, no major bumps or scrapes or damage. And this is why we do the videos, to show you full transparency, good close up of the vehicle. The all season tyres all the way around, as I mentioned previously. Again, plenty of tread on those, all down the sides down here. All season Continental tyres, and the last wheel and tyre absolutely perfect. All the interior lovely condition, all the door trims unmarked, full black leather upholstery, plenty of space there, rear centre armrest with a couple of cup holders in there. And of course a panoramic glass roof makes it very light and airy inside. Got keyless entry with folding mirrors. Again, the driver's door trim, electric seats, all the entry points lovely and clean. The upholstery in great condition. Leather multifunction steering wheel. Mileage of just 45,433. Nice low mileage example. All the service history is mentioned in the advert. Centre arm storage, USB AUX input in there, heated seats, cup holders, all the dashboard, all the trims, great condition. Clear screen with all the navigation, the radio, all the menu on there, very straightforward. Got media input, Bluetooth, reverse camera, shows you all the guidelines, making the parking so much easier. Again, nice clear map, you can zoom in and out, show you all the roadways very clearly. dual zone climate control, 6-speed manual gearbox, got the menu button on there. Just scroll through the menu to whatever settings you like to see. You've got lane assist as well as blind spot elimination. Radio controls on there, cruise control, speed limiter, Bluetooth phone connection, folding mirrors, lane assist, and the orange light on there would show you if there's traffic approaching on either side, so just warning you of what's around you. And of course, as I mentioned, the panoramic glass sunroof with the blind, electric blind, so if it gets a bit too sunny you can pull it across electrically. So there we have it, our beautiful Qashqai with just 45,000 miles, 2 owners from new, superb specification. Of course we have 2 sets of keys. That's the keyless entry, just press the button as you walk towards the car or away, it locks the car, unlocks the car, makes it a lot easier. We welcome part exchange, great finance available direct from ourselves. Use that online finance calculator to work out your HP deals, low payments, low deposit, and apply direct off our website. Remember, you can reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Ask us for full and further detail how that operates. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke on Trent, Staffordshire, established since 1997. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans reviews and you understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. And we do the videos to give you full confidence to know exactly what you're buying from the comfort of your armchair. And many customers buy their cars totally unseen, purely by the videos, pictures and information we provide. Remember our full money back guarantee. Reserve the car, and if you feel the car is not as described, we'll refund the deposit, no questions asked. If you don't want to miss this beautiful car, give us a call on 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple, we've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.